Hey guys, Arnold Shine here. I'm Mutkash and today we are not playing any game, but today is a special video for the guys who actually want to start a YouTube channel and want to become YouTubers. So the thing is that I'm gonna show you how to get a screen recorder for Android today. Unfortunately, it's only for Android, this screen recorder. So now let's start. Now let's just swipe the screen. I'll just swipe the screen here and go to Play Store. And now I checked the name for my screen recorder. You guys will be knowing it should be right here where my fingerprints are. Actually it's right there, recorded by Mobzen. So I go MOBIZEN. I'm not sure, but it should be that. Now my internet is really slow in my room actually here, so let's see if how much time it takes. We can wait for a while because our video just started here. It's not a big thing actually to actually record this thing, and I like to show you that what all options we get, because you actually don't only have to okay, here we are. Now here, when you don't have to write, you have to click Mobzen, and then they'll be like the app Mobzen. You don't have to do that. You have to actually search Mobzen, then only it will be that. Now before installing Mobzen, you have to make sure that you have this plugin. Now you can see many plugin in this here, that plugin. Now you have to search your mobile name. Now you have to search your mobile name, like plugin Samsung. If you have a Samsung mobile, then of course you should go to plugin Samsung version 2.0. If you have a Samsung mobile, then of course you can actually record your device with that only. It will make everything easier. Otherwise you can go to other like Alcatel and One Touch and all. You can go and check. So here we have so many what is plugin. Now down also so many plugin are there. You can read the name, but the pictures are not spawning right now, but there are about so many plugins. So you can actually just find out your mobile name and then install that. So mine is Samsung, so I have first I went to this one and I installed it. And don't worry guys, it doesn't actually make a new logo or anything for that. It just go in your setting and install it itself. Means it's a, sorry guys, it's a kind of new setting in your mobile, so no logo, nothing will come. And then you have to go and install Mobzen your Android anywhere. Now after you have installed Mobzen, it's only about that much. Otherwise if you have not, if your device name is not there and your device is an Android device, you have to just go to the what we say, you have to go to your PC and anything like a MacBook or something like that, and then you have to connect your mobile with that and then do it. And another cool stuff is that you can connect Mobzen with your PC and TV if you have your Mobzen started. So you can actually show that anything what you're doing in your tab live on the TV. So that's another cool stuff. And then you can share your gameplay and all, everything you can do in that. So that's the thing. Now let's open up the Mobzen. Now when you open up the Mobzen, it's not gonna look like this. The loading screen will be like this, but then there'll be like some tutorials and all you can see, then whatever Mobzen and all is there. So you have to get that, and if it's not coming, you have to connect it with your PC. Okay. Now if you have a Samsung, do what I did. Go to the Play Store and download this thing, what we say, Mobzen. You can before downloading Mobzen, just download plugin Samsung version 2.0. uh, if you have a Samsung, it should work. Of course it should work, 99% it should work. Now I don't know about some phones, I don't know. Now Mobzen your Android. Now after you have installed it, let's go to Mobzen. Now if this comes, after skipping everything, if this thing comes, now you can choose your mobile name. Your email will be there, allrounders.air@gmail.com, and you can just click this record screen, and that this what we say, this thing will come here in the side of your screen. So you can just click the recording button, or you can take a screenshot or go to settings. Now another thing is that you can click here. Now here are many things. Now don't care about anything else, just go to recording preference. Now here is the setting of the thing. Now you can choose the transparency of the settings now, but I can't actually change the setting because I'm recording right now. Now here in chance recording and all, now it's not compulsory to keep your recording always high. Now I'll just give a suggestion that never use the smoother recording or enhanced recording, because it actually makes your video high quality, but it makes it too much laggy. So never use it. Before I used to use it, but now I don't. So not use it. and then keep your quality high, your resolution 480p. You can actually go above that, I guess. Okay, that's it. Now you can go to your FPS. Now FPS you have to change by the games. Now you have to, before actually recording for the game, you have to actually see that which game needs what kind of FPS. Now for this thing I'll keep no limit, but for some games I'll keep about um 5 frames per second or 10 frames per second. I'll keep a 15, or sometimes no limits, or sometimes auto. It you should adjust through the video. And then you can record audio, means you can actually record your voice and everything, and then you can actually do record tap and swipe, means the wherever I put my finger and all that, what we say sign comes, that you actually shows your finger. Now can I change it? Now I'm doing, guys, you can't see my finger, but I'll just put it back up and then you can see my finger. That's the thing. Now that was about it. It was a really short video, but I hopefully it will be useful though for those guys who actually want to start up a YouTube channel. And it will be many of my friends actually want to start up a YouTube channel, so that will be useful. Now if you have started up a YouTube channel, so you can contact us on our Gmail, which will be down in the descriptions given below if you're seeing in YouTube. I'll just say you right now, you can actually see it right here also. When we go back, it's allrounders.air@gmail.com, right, written in my screen down here. You can go in that email, and then you can email us or Gmail us about your YouTube channel. We'll see it, and we'll of course help you to grow up. Now thanks for watching, guys, and if you enjoyed the video, or if this video helped you in any way, like, subscribe, comment down below, share this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.